Hey, what's up guys, Uncle Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the MSI MPG Ai1600TS PCIE5 power supply. The MPG Ai1600TS PCIE5 is a power supply that's designed to meet the demands of the most enthusiastic users. It's ATX 3.1 and PCIe5 ready and supports all of the latest motherboards and next-gen graphics cards, including the GeForce RTX 1590, such as the MSI GeForce RTX 1590 Lightning Z. It's made with server-grade materials and SiC interleaved MOSFETs, as well as 100% Japanese capacitors. The power supply is certified 80+ titanium with a power efficiency of up to 94%. It features a powerful 12-foot single rail at 133.3 amps, giving you a total power output of up to 1600 watts. Running a high-end power-hungry GPU requires a lot of power, and the last thing you want is for your GPU power connectors to overheat and melt. And this is where the MSI GPU Safeguard Plus comes in. It monitors the current on the dual 12V 2x6 power connectors and provides instant real-time alerts to shield your GPU from any damage. Apart from the GPU Safeguard Plus, you also get MSI's Fan Safeguard, as well as an extensive range of power protections for peace of mind. The package also comes with a load of embossed jacket cables, as well as the cable organizer for easy cable management. You also get two dual-color 12V 2x6 power connectors for your graphics cards, rated up to 600 watts. So in order to run this MSI GeForce RTX 1590 Lightning Z, MSI have actually recommended a power supply of 1500 watts or higher. So let's see if this MPG Ai1600TS power supply can actually run and power up this graphics card. Alright, so let's not waste any time and put these two units into our test rig and see how the whole system performs. But before we do that, let's find out how to get the latest prices from Amazon using our system configurator, Rig Builder. This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of Rig Builder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where Rig Builder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of Rig Builder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With Rig Builder, all you need is three criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, Rig Builder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give Rig Builder a try at funkykit.com/rigbuilder. We hope Rig Builder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video.
I never thought I'll ever need a power supply more than 1000 watts, but looking at today's most demanding and high-end enthusiast components, I can see why such a power supply is needed. In our tests, for example, we used an MSI GeForce RTX 1590 32G Lightning Z, which has a TGP of 575 watts. On top of that, we also used the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K with a Turbo Boost TDP of 250 watts. The total power consumption for just these two components alone is well over 825 watts, and that's not including all the other components like the motherboard, cooling fans, storage devices, etc. So yes, for a high-end enthusiast PC with components mentioned earlier, we recommend a power supply of at least 1500 watts or higher, and this is affirmed by MSI, who has already prepared a power supply to meet these demands, such as the MSI MPG Ai1600TS PCIE5. And to full load on both the CPU and GPU, the system draws a significant amount of power. And as shown in our test, the total power consumption reaches a mind-blowing 966 watts, with the CPU using around about 286 watts, while the GPU accounting for around about 577 watts. The 12V line was rock solid and did not drop at all, while the 5V and 3V lines dropped ever so slightly, with a change of only minus 0.01 volts, which is negligible. What was interesting is that at 100% full load, the PSU efficiency remained at 94.5%, with an average of around about 82%. Now that's pretty insane. So all things considered, I'm extremely pleased with the PSU's overall stability, and it should easily handle anything that you throw at it, and then some. Another feature I really like is the USB-C port, which connects to the motherboard, and this lets you monitor the PSU's health and power usage through the MSI Center. Not only that, the MSI GPU Safeguard Plus monitors the current on the dual 12V 2x6 power connectors, and this provides instant real-time alerts to shield your GPU from any damage. I also like the high quality embossed jacket modular cables with copper connectors. You also get two color-coded 16-pin 12V 2x6 PCIE5 power connectors, which makes it easy to ensure they're fully and securely connected to both the GPU and the power supply. If you're an extreme enthusiast looking for a high quality, no compromise power supply, the MSI MPG Ai1600TS PCIE5 is an excellent choice. Not only does it deliver rock-solid stability and outstanding efficiency, but it also protects your expensive GPU thanks to its GPU Safeguard Plus feature. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the MSI MPG Ai1600TS PCIE5 power supply. It's an extremely solid power supply rated at 80 plus titanium with a power output of up to 1600 watts. With two native 12V 2x6 power connectors, it's more than enough for the most demanding of enthusiasts. What's more, you also get the GPU Safeguard Plus, a power protection feature for your GPUs for peace of mind. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Uncle Winston for Funkykit.com.